Okay, let's do the flutter kick. Forward. Okay. Forward. Flutter kick. Ready? Straight your legs. Straight your legs. Very good. Do the flutter kick. Very good po. Faster. Faster.
Yay!
Faster. Faster. Faster flutter kick. Go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to reach the floor? Dito ba, ma? One more time. You want to sit down? Report. All the new forward. One. Go. Flutter kick. Go. Faster. Faster flutter kick. Faster. Straight your arms. Straight your arms. Flutter kick. More flutter kick. More flutter kick. Okay. Next na ganito.
Good job, Kayla!
Flutter kick. Right kayo nag-break, di ba? Pag pull nyo, pull, yung thumb dapat maabot sa may leg. Double stroke. Then you do the flutter kick. You do the flutter kick. Ready? One. Follow the kickboard. And go. Go. Flutter kick. Go. Faster. 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 Straight. Straight flutter kick. Go. Flutter kick. Go.
Go, baby!
Do the flutter kick. Do the flutter kick. Then do the bubble. Tired? You're tired? Sige, flutter kick. I help you. Faster flutter kick. 1, 2, 3, go. Fast flutter kick. Very good. More. More flutter kick. More flutter kick. Then bubble. Very good. More flutter kick. More flutter kick. More flutter kick. Oh, more flutter kick. More flutter kick. Dito na finish line. Okay. Release the floor again. Pwede mo naman. Okay, one more time. Isa na lang. 1, 2, and... Okay, sabi naman siya. Next. Very good. Okay, you do the flutter kick. Kick on the wall. Then straight your arms. Straight your arms. And flutter kick. Fast flutter kick. Go.
Go, Kayla!
Go, flutter kick ka. Kasi mag-flutter kick ka po. Mag-flutter kick ka para dito. Sige, hold on the hand ko. Sige, flutter kick ka. Go.
Yan! Go, go, Kayla! Magkikikaw! Come on! Yay! Good job!
Go. Go. Faster, faster. Faster.
Ang galing!
Take your arms. Okay. Diba, last go. Balik tayo, balik.
Uy, wow! Nagbabas!
Let's go. Flutter kick, flutter kick. Straight your arms, baby. Straight your arms. Straight your arms. Huwag ka sa isa. Straight your arms. Yan. Go. Flutter kick.
Wow! Go! Flutter kick, baby!
Go, sige, go. Do the flutter kick. Do the flutter kick. Okay, turn around, turn around. Turn around, turn around. Okay na, fast flutter kick ha, last na.
Go, go, go!
Go, straight your arms. Straight your arms. Very good. Flutter kick, straight your arms. Flutter kick, more flutter kick. Straight your arms. Go, sige, flutter kick.
Flutter
straight
kick,
your arms.
Kayla! Kayla, kick! Taas!
Sige nga, mabilis na flutter kick kasi may fin. Ay, you're doing very good. Sige, faster, faster, baby. Faster, faster. Up, ay, ako. Turn na araw tayo. Go, flutter kick. Straight your arms, baby. Straight your arms. Straight your arms. Straight your arms. Sige, straight your arms. Ano ba ganyan? Huwag mo sasakyan yung kickboard mo. Straight mo yung arms mo. Pag sinakyan mo, lulubog ka muna. Ganito, para hindi mag-fall. Hindi ka mag-sink. Yan! Okay, go. Flutter kick. Very good.
Yeah!
Double.
Oh, dali ah. Oh, dali.
Double dito. Ganyan.
Wow!
Hold ka dito. Hold ka. Hold mo ha, para hindi ka maglubog. O, sige, ikaw na lang. Go, flutter
Yay!
kick.
Go!
Flutter kick. Good. Sige, flutter kick. Para
Go, Kayla!
Okay lang. Huwag mo siya dumalikot. Flutter kick lang.
Yay! Good job! Sige.
Very good. Oh. Ikot, turn tayo. Turn. Oh, yan. Sige. Faster yung flutter kick mo para mag-abante ka. Faster, Kayla. Faster. Faster. Huwag masyado malikot. Mahulog ka, oh. Sige, go. Flutter kick, baby. Bubbles.
Go.
Flutter kick, bubbles. Okay, nice. So, galing ni Kayla pala, oh. Nagigit pala to si Kayla. Turn out tayo. Kasi hindi na yan nag-walk. Flutter kick na lang. Sige, go. Kayla, faster. Straight your arms. Sige po, Kayla. Opo, doon sila sa malalim. Ikaw dito ka lang po, di ba? Opo, dito rin. Okay, sige na. You can stand. Okay. Okay, dito tayo. Tapos na kayo?
Wala kang kasama dyan. Iwanan ka dyan ni kuya, oh.
Can I go to water? Tapos ikaw picture sa akin sa water.
Oh, sige.
1, 2, 3, go! Yan, ganito yung ilaw. Tapos yung picture ako sa water. 1, 2, 3. May ko hindi ko picture. May hindi. Tapos yung yung flash.
Wala man akong flash.
Okay, ready na?
Ah!
Oh,
Good. Sige.
yan.
Ang yan na yung keyboard ko, blue.
Oo.
Ikaw rin, meron ka rin camera na pang tubig. Oh, good. Sige, flutter kick, baby. Flutter kick. Ay, sige, flutter kick. Sige, bilisan mo paa mo. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Sige. Mabilis ganyan, oh. Maliit lang. Yan.
Wow.
Balance ka. Mahulog ka, oh. Balance, good. Oh, sige, flutter.
Nahulog.
Hindi man nahulog. Oh, sige, flutter kick.
Na ako.
Oh, very good pala. Big na.
Hindi na ako. Stand up na ako.
Ay, very good. O, try natin papuntang ulit doon. Papunta doon. Doon lang. O, doon.
San po?
Apo, doon lang po. Ready? Apo, ready po and go.
Kick.
Straight your arms, baby. Straight your arms. Ito yung hawak ko para hindi ka mahulog. Okay, ready and go. Flutter kick. Yan. Sige, baby. Sige pa para mag-move ka. Sige, flutter kick pa. O, reach mo yung wall ha. Reach mo yung wall. O, hawak ka sa wall. Ay, very good na. Oh, safe. Oh, bubbles ka nga. Ay, very good.
Very.
5 bubbles. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good pala si baby Kayla. Ay, di na pala baby. Big na pala. Big Kayla. Oh.
Ang lalim nahulog doon. Doon
Opo.
ako dito.
Dito lang. Sige, go. Flutter kick. Flutter kick, baby. Go. Flutter kick. Sige, flutter kick po. Straight yung paa. Straight yung paa. Sige pa. Straight pa. Sige po. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, turn mo naman. Si ano naman?
Sino?
Si Jaira. Jaira. Pahiramdam ko po, Jaira.
Sabay kayo, oh, dali, go. Yay! Oh, dali, go. Sabay kayong dalawa, dali.
Hindi man. Idikit mo yung tummy mo. Up. Tayo ka nga. Okay, very good. Sige. Ha? Sige po.
Oh.
Ano kay mami? Sige. Opo, lakasan yung flutter kick mo. Very good. Oh, flutter kick. Sige, flutter kick po. Opo.
Good job. Sige. Kaya mo yan, no? Nakaka-stand up ka nga. Go.
Sige, go. Flutter kick. Sige, very good.
Good job.
Isa pang round.
Good. Again. Good job, Kayla. Sige pa, kick pa.
Hanggang sa dulo, baby.
Marunong ka niyan. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing mo baga. Taas lang yung feet lagi. Oh, again, ikot. Bubbles.
Ano to?
Ay, ko sa picture sa water tapos
Relax
ikaw yung kita sa akin.
Relax
Hindi
lang ha.
ikaw
Huwag
picture.
masyadong ganyan.
1, 2, 3.
Tataas mo to. Yan, good. Sige. Good. Sige, sculling. 1, 2, 3, point. Good. Mababa yung ano mo.
I got it!
Mag-flutter flip ka kasi. Basta ganito yung next meeting natin. Pag wala na doon tao sa kabila. Isa mag-flutter flip sa bahay.
Nagsasabay ko sa computer. Dito ako dito. Kay nanay.